36.45 an hour. I was allowing myself to do stupid shit. Did not take confirmation entries. Took some dumb longs here. And then I say something political. And got, oh, this guy's an idiot. But the 15-minute and the hourly, that's what I want to focus on. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Friday, October 25th, almost Halloween, 2024. I did not trade very good today. I made money, but I traded pretty stupidly and I did not follow my plan. So I'm going to make two videos today. I'm going to make just a normal video about my Friday, as I do with every day I trade and make a video about. But I'm also going to make a video just recapping the week, because overall I had a pretty good week, and I am probably going to complain a little bit about my performance, only because yes, I did good, but my potential and how well I did, I feel like there's a pretty big gap. And I made a lot of stupid mistakes. I do feel pretty lucky. Sorry, excuse me. I feel pretty lucky to have had the week I had. $1,500 total P&L. That's pretty good. Or not 15. 1458. That's pretty solid. What is 1458 divided by 5? 1458 divided by 5. 291. So that's pretty good. Payday. What is that divided by 8? Because 8 hours in a day. So I got paid that 36.45 an hour this week for trading, which is pretty damn good. I'll take that. It's I'm happy with that. I got a long way to go. And I think this could have actually been even a much better week. But it also could have been a lot worse. I got off the hook multiple times. I got let off the hook by the market. And I have habits that I'm sure if they continue will end me. I'm sure that there are, if you trade so big a size, if you trade too big a size, it's guaranteed you will blow up. It's statistically inevitable. And I was definitely letting the success I had get to my head and influence me and make me do stupid shit. I was allowing myself to do stupid shit. So let's just talk about the trades real quick. I'm just going to do this all in one video, actually. I'm not going to make two separate videos. I'm going to make it all in one. So let's just talk about the day, talk about the price action. I'm going to talk about ES, not NQ. I could just as easily talk NQ. I probably will talk a little bit of both, but I'm mainly going to talk ES. Okay, so gap and go. And I didn't really see any good trades here because we were so beyond this moving average. This went up a lot further than I thought. It went up 30 points. And there weren't really any trades. Oh, man. I guess bar, I didn't see this. Bar 5. Should have probably taken bar 5 because it is such a small bar. Low risk. I didn't see this during the day. I actually didn't see this all day, which kind of speaks to another point, is I was very tunnel visioned today. I wanted to go long. Sorry, something on my face. I wanted to go long, and I accidentally, at this point, I tried to put in an order that was just a 2-tick order, so just $25, but I accidentally put in a 5.20 tick order, so I had to pull my stop loss way up. And this is something I did quite a bit today, is I did not take confirmation entries. and I paid for it more than I have any other day this week. So $75 here, um, $62 there. And I'm not going to count, I did make some money taking non-confirmation. And I'm okay buying bar close sometimes, but like, here it was just stupid. It was very stupid here because trying to like satiate my thesis that, oh, we should go long, it just made it so I missed this nice move down. And of course, we gapped up, we went up, but looking at the hourly, there's this key level here. We pushed down from it earlier the week, went back up to it, gapped down, pushed back up to it, couldn't make it through. Now we retested it again and rejected. So this should have been my signal that, okay, maybe today is more bearish than I thought, but I couldn't be bearish because we're above prior day high. Or it was hard for me to be bearish because we were above prior day high. Let me zoom in on the daily. We're above prior day high, and we gapped to being above almost near prior day high of the prior day. So I said it yesterday's video. I said, what happens tomorrow? Because we set a higher low. I'm guessing we go back up and touch this level. That's exactly what happened. I didn't capitalize on any of it because this gap up was just high for me, and I didn't take any. I didn't take the trade. Should have got long here on bar 5, but I just didn't see that. Could have got a quick. How many points? 7 points out of that. Mute that. Did I mute that? Can't even see. Oh wait. Doesn't tell me. Okay, so bar 13. This would have been a good short because we're way beyond, and this shows that it's slowing, so I could have shorted. This is probably the first place to get short. And then bar 19, bar 20, bar 21, bar 22, bar 23. These are just all telling me that, hey, I should probably be getting short here. This 15-minute bar, great at showing me I should have got short. Like, bar 22 should not have been long. And if I would have just been, like, watching this chart and seeing this close, I would have said, oh, that's a hammer down. It just looks like we're losing momentum. I should get short. And I could have shorted down to the 9 EMA and made an easy 7 or 8 points. Or even, it's just a shame. This was an okay long, I guess, but probably not that smart. Bar 34 would have been an okay long. But here, this is when I really, like, I saw it and I ignored it. I should have gotten short here. This is a cup and handle. We pushed down. We had our pullback. We started going down again. I should have got short. What happened? I put in a long order at a dumb spot. Lost $162. Took some dumb longs here. Lost $100. Another dumb long here, $125. So I've just given back all my gains for the day with some stupid ass long trades that I should have been getting short on. So bar 41, good short bar. 42, good short bar. 43 and 44, good short bars. And then the waterfall starts, and we drop from 75 down to 40. So 35 points between 11:10 and 30 minutes, or 35 minutes, from 11:10 to 11:45. I timed this perfectly. I took a long trade here, and I should have just held it for longer because I would have made more money, but I made back $337. I said, that's it. I'm done. and that's how I closed the day with 305. And I was done after that. I'm not gonna even talk about any of this price action, but I'm bummed. I missed a big short day. It did close the gap. It gapped up and went way higher. It seems like bulls are totally in control. There's not a bear in sight, and then the bulls just vanished, and the bears took it from 5,900, pretty much uncontested, down to 5,840, 60 points. So, and I didn't get short for any of this. Um, so the fact that I didn't get short for any of this and was tunnel visioned on long, that's a pretty good sign. But imagine if I would have been short bias. And I just got fooled because this was so bullish here. We were above the prior day high. But looking at the hourly, higher high, higher low, lower high, lower low, lower high, same low, same high, lower low, lower high, higher low, higher high, or sorry, same high is here, but lower high almost, basically. And then now we're back down here. So we've made a higher low, we've made almost a lower high, but not really. Looks like we might be, some people might say this is a wedge pattern. Al Brooks people would say this is a wedge pattern. I don't know who else uses the term wedge besides Al Brooks, but I mean, we're in a bullish environment still on the daily, it seems like. The 9 moving average is still above the 20. So, who knows? It's confusing price action. It's confusing price action here. And these EMAs are intertwined. We've been in a range, right? Like, this kind of does make the shape of a big range on this hourly here. Pretty much since mid-October. Or early October. Up, down, up, range, 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 down, up, down, back to the middle of it. So I did the wrong thing, and I just kind of talked about the good sell signals. So I kind of analyzed what I did wrong. I should have just looked at this bigger picture. Looked at last time we were here, we rejected pretty hard, and that's exactly what happened the next time we were here. Now we're back down to this area where we came up pretty hard, and we've kind of had a consolidation period. I think I probably expect this consolidation period to last a little bit longer and maybe to pull back even more, maybe set a new low while this 200 moving average catches up. Because if we expand the daily chart and just look at how trends work, it expands and it rides along the 9 and 20 for some time. It pulls back, consolidates, expands again. This is back in the summer in July when we had that pretty strong pullback, way below, but starts trending again, comes back, starts trending again, and I could very much see this continue to keep trending. Presidential election years, 2016 and 2020, and I want to be careful here because I don't want to offend anyone's politics. Don't want to lose some viewers, alienate some viewers, but I think this is going to be definitely not a hot take or anything. This is just objective fact. If you look at 2016 and 2020, those election years, both years the market chopped around and was pretty choppy and volatile and didn't make much sense. And after both of those years, 2017, 2018, both saw huge bull runs. So it's almost like the market didn't really care who won. They just didn't like the uncertainty. Um, who is the guy? There's this geopolitical guy, Peter Zion. He makes some pretty like hot takes, I guess. Like, just he says things with such. By that, I just mean he says things with such certainty that it's like, how can you be that certain about this? That's nutty to be that certain. I forget even what of them is the point I'm making. I don't know. We've had a historic bull run that's basically gone on since the Great Recession. Back in like, I mean, the Great Recession was 2008, and I think pretty much the bull run. Okay, this chart doesn't go anywhere past 2016. But yeah, huge bull run. I kind of remember this crash in 2018. Not really a crash. Yeah, 18 wasn't like as great a year. Just normal corrections. That's a pretty decent sized correction. Anyway, this is off topic. I don't want to like go back and analyze the chart on the daily chart. The point of this exercise was just to show. Let me make this big. It doesn't go any wider. 2022 was a bad year. That was a really bad year for tech. So it's not all bull markets, I guess. But like overall, it's been pretty bullish. Like most years have been very bullish. I think 2024 is currently like the best year to date returns ever for the S&P 500, which is insane. But just look at this chart. I mean, we started January. We started at like 4,750. Now we're at like almost 6,000. So like almost a 25% gain. That's crazy because the S&P is supposed to average like 8% a year, and it's like triple that. Why am I saying all this? I don't really know. I'm just kind of talking out loud using this as a video journal. I'm not really talking about day trading like I should be. What do I need to do better? So what do I need to do better? What do I need to do better? What did I do wrong this week? I did a lot wrong this week. I didn't on Tuesday. It was a beautiful downtrend day, and I totally didn't catch any of it because I think I was tunnel visioned long on Tuesday too. That was this sell off here, super clean sell off. Saw the moving averages cross over. I know the MACD crossed over as well. And yeah, that was the outside day. So what I need to just be better about trading at the levels. I need to not trade the BS. You know what? This is what I need to do. These key trading reminders right here. Be systematic. Understand the what and why for each trade. Most traders jump into a trade without knowing why. So yeah, I gotta have a good thesis that I'm confident in. Like not like today here where I was going long. This is not at a key level. This is more or less no man's land. We're way up in the high, up high. A lot of air between like just this and the Keltner channel. Makes sense to pull back. Pulling back that hard is like, wow. Bulls totally disappeared. And this was only 50% of the move down. More than 50% of it happened when I was right there. I was just going the wrong way. I was tunnel visioned the wrong way. So can I become objective? I probably just need to. I have a harder time going bearish, but I just need to like accept the facts that what are we getting on the 15-minute chart? What are we getting on the hourly chart? Hammer down. Aggressive selling here. Consolidation. Little cup move up. Another push down. Retesting the lows. This is the time to get short and just be hella short. Um, like this is screaming at me to get short, and I didn't get short, but I could have made a massive freaking profit. If I go to call half this move down, it would have been a massive, massive profit. $1,000 from one contract from here, just targeting the prior day highs and prior day close. Which at this point, it's like, okay, yeah, this gap's probably going to close, and it might even go further beyond. And that's exactly what happened. It went further, it closed, it went further beyond. Could have got short even on bar 49. I don't think I would because of how extended it is, but you could have. It would have made money. This is total not related to what I just said, but going back to my point earlier about presidential years, if 2016 did it and 2020 did it, maybe 2024 will do a similar thing. Maybe we have crazy volatility, and no matter who wins, no matter who wins, like it'll go up. We'll see. I mean, I don't know. I'm not an expert on global markets or anything, and I'm not even gonna say any political opinions ever because this is not a political channel. This is a trading channel, and yeah, I just want to focus on trading and price and that type of thing. And I don't want to alienate anyone who's watching who thinks, oh, this is a good thing. And then I say something political and this guy's an idiot. And then it's like, well, I'm just here for trading. So yeah, I'm just gonna not say anything, because I think that's smart. And I think most people are pretty normal. I think like 90% of people are pretty normal, and then there's probably like a more extreme percentage of people on both sides that aren't very rational. But I think most people are rational, and most people want the same things. They want, I'm not gonna get into this. It's not what this channel is about. This channel is about trading. But yeah. Trying to come up with a funny joke, but maybe I'm just the joke. No. I fucked up today, but the fact that I still had, let's end on a positive saying. The fact that I still had as good a week as I had is amazing. 2979.62. Let's go to my data. 2979.62. I gotta use my mouse because my mic is in the way of my. I can't really reach my keyboard right now. How many trades did I take today? I gotta enter that. That is not. This is gonna hurt my feelings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 ES trades. My God. One, 2, 3, 4, 13 trades, 9 ES, 4 and MNQ. And what was my win rate? 1 win. I think this was a loss, right? Oh, that was a win. Oh yeah, I did go short. I'm just gonna call that a break even. So we'll say I won 2.5 out of 4, and then loss. So 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5, 6.5. So I won 6.5 out of 13 trades. Low expectancy and hella hella my brain is broken. Fees and commissions. Way too many fees and commissions. $68 in fees and commissions. Another reason why I want to focus on just taking a few good quality trades a day is I'll rack up less fees and commissions, and then it will get me less like off kilter. I'll do less stupid stuff if I'm focused on just taking the good trades. Okay. This has been a longer video. And I've rambled a lot. But yeah, let's go back here to these key trading reminders. Signal bar with good risk. I was pretty good about doing that this week. Confirmation. I was okay about doing that. I need to be better about doing that. It worked out for me, but if I do it too much, I use up a lot of my decision fatigue. Like, I wake up and I get like 100 points of bandwidth every day. Every time I make a decision, I use up a few of those points. And once it runs out, I can't trade good anymore. It's why I walked away after my last trade today. I couldn't do it. So by making less decisions, having a plan, trading my plan, I'll be better off. So I need to have confirmation because one, it makes it easier. But I really just need to make sure I'm going with the 15-minute and 1 hour. Today I got caught up in the 5-minute noise. What's this say here? Ignore noise, especially 5-minute. You could even put 15-minute over here sometimes. But the 15-minute and the hourly, that's what I want to focus on, especially the hourly. And I want to focus on those key levels. That's what this one is about. It's like, you want to hunt big game, or do you want to, or when you're fishing, you want to go for big game, or you want to go for little panfish. You want to go for the big game. Like, you don't want to go for the little panfish. I didn't come up with this analogy, so that's why I messed it up. But you see the point, right? You want to go for the big winners. Not this crap. This crap. Not this crap, but this crap. And you can do that by focusing on the key levels, by focusing on the 15-minute, and yeah, that's it really. I do think objective, put each trade through quick check criteria. I do think right here, where this is the biggest one for me, like the signal bar and confirmation. Oh, I don't think I've updated this one yet. Okay, yeah, this is my newer one. Okay, yeah, I updated this. So big game panfish. I knew I updated this. I just haven't updated it on the other one yet. Avoid scalping the small meaningless moves. I did not do that today. I failed to do that. I just need to read this every day before I trade. Every day. And so I can keep it in the front of my mind. Signal bar with good risk and confirmation. Good location. What is a good location? We got to define that and give it more criteria. But yeah, this hourly right here is actually, this is screaming to go short too. Like these wicks above these hourly bars at this key level where it rejected before. This was just screaming at me to go short. At 11 a.m., I should have got short, and I should have got short big. Right here, I should have got short for like 3 contracts or something. Maybe not 3 contracts, but like, maybe 3 contracts. I don't know. No, I shouldn't, because if I trade too big a size, I will blow up. But like, could have trimmed there at the break of that low. Could have trimmed. Could have just walked away. Could have just put the other 2 right there. I mean, it would have ruled, man. It would have ruled. How many points is that? 55 to 70, that's 15. 17 points, you know. And it still went much further after, but yeah. Bar 53 would have been a good short. But yeah. Yep, that's it. I'm going to end the video here. I need to be better next week. I will be better next week. I will not oversize. I've built enough money in my account now that I have a bit of a cushion. It doesn't mean I should go crazy and risk 3 contracts per trade. I should just keep risking 1 to 2 trades probably until I hit like 10 grand in this account. So we'll see, you know. We'll see what happens. But appreciate you watching. Have a good weekend. Stay safe. Have fun. Peace.